Hi guys. Let's start with Google Adsense, or how to make money with Adsense. Adsense shares advertising revenue between Google and advertisers. Google receives ads via AdWords to allow advertisers to post their ads. Adsense allows you to make money for decent traffic in a few ways. Traffic plus Adsense ads equals money. In Adsense, you can create ad units as code to embed in HTML on your website. If someone clicks on these ads, you earn money. Adsense is free, can be linked to a blog. There are two types of Adsense accounts, the hosted account and the normal account. We can start by creating a hosted account and then transform it into a normal account. To apply for a hosted account, you need a blog on Blogspot or a YouTube channel. Basics. After creating a Google Adsense account, you must provide personal information, tax, a payment method. For every $100 in revenue, Google pays you on the 21st of the next month. Payment details. Go to the Accounts tab, then the Preview tab. For the details of your accounts, you have the Advanced tab. You can know the exchange rate and current payments are the payment method you have chosen. How CPC works. Advertisers are paid based on the number of clicks they generate on their ads. The price for each click can vary from a few cents up to $10. Why do some get a small amount in CPC? Depending on the chosen keyword, advertisers want to do everything to target the right audience. So your CPC will have more value, which can explode your earnings. To do this, use AdWords, enter a keyword, and select average estimate. You will have his average CPC. Also, organic search engines pay better than social media. Policy guidelines. Never click on your ads. Google Adsense does not accept fake clicks, as this may result in the account being closed. That's all for today. See you in another video.